Hello and welcome back to Maths Plus. We're continuing the junior cycle higher level and we're on to question 8. So let's have a quick look at the question. So we have two triangles here and we have two buildings, and first of all we need to find the angle in the corner of building B, so that we have to find angle C. In the second part we're finding the hypotenuse, so we have to use Pythagoras theorem. And the third part, where we're getting the height up here, as we're doing some trigonometry, we have to use a trigonometric function. So let's get started. So we have all the details here. Basically we're describing the diagram. Alright, so let's get started on numbers, part C, and find C. So first of all we have to subtract 35 and the angle in the corner here from 180 to get the corner angle. So we're going to do our summation here. We can say 180 degrees subtract 90 from the corner, and then subtract 35 degrees from the top left hand side, and we'll get a result of 55, which is the corner angle C. So far so good. On to part B now, and we have to find the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle down here. And so we have to coordinate everything together with the Pythagoras formula. So the hypotenuse squared is equal to the sum of the opposite two sides squared. So we have it there. So let's compute it out. And we'll have y squared is equal to 220 squared plus 154 squared, which is a total of 76,112. So we have y squared. We want to find y, so we have to square root the y squared. Remember, the square root of y squared is equal to y. So we're going to square root both sides. So y squared square rooted will be y, and then we have the square root of 76,112. So our result will be 269 rounded to the nearest meter. And that's it. So have a look at your diagram just to check the scale, as remember y is greater than 220 and 154, so it makes sense with the scale. On to part C now, and we need to find the total height of building B. So we have building A, and we need an additional height which is related to the top triangle. So let's investigate the geometry and choose the correct trigonometric function for that triangle. Alright, so we have three trigonometric choices. We have sine, cosine and tan. So which one will we choose? Let's go back. We have this one, we have this one, so that's the opposite and that's the adjacent. Therefore we're going to choose the tangent, or tan. So the tan of 20 degrees is equal to the opposite over the adjacent, and we can also substitute in some more information. The opposite is h, we're solving for h, and the adjacent is 154. Let's cross multiply. So h is equal to tan of 20 degrees multiplied by 154, and we will get a result to the nearest meter of 56 meters. So let's have a look. We have 56 up here, we have the 220 down here. Let's sum them together, and that will give us a total height of building Z, denoted as letter Z, is 276 meters. And that's it for question 8 of the 2022 junior cycle higher level maths. So a big thank you for watching Maths Plus. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.